Hello, today we're going to rank the 8 more books I read over a period of time. So my list is expand. So we got 3 Percy Jackson books, the 2 Harry Potters, the 3rd Mistborn, and the Secret History. Then a new book is Study in Scarlet, Sherlock Holmes. So first we're going to rank Percy Jackson's first. I would say this goes, I think it was fine. I think it's worse than the first Harry Potter book. I'm gonna put it in meh. No, I think it's going okay. Second book, I actually enjoy this book. I think I put it here for how much I enjoyed it. Actually, I think I prefer it over the Prisoner. Nah, it's very good. Oh. I'll put it there. Titan's Curse, this is going meh tier. I think I prefer over Path of Daggers, though. Maybe not. I didn't really enjoy this. I should wait a minute. Actually, I like that one better than that one. I felt like the first one was kind of meh. Then we got the Order with the Phoenix. This one is going okay. This one is very long, and it took me a while to read, so I'm gonna place it above New Springs. This one I actually very much enjoy. I'll put it here. I'll put it great. This is like the first Harry Potter that I actually like kind of enjoy. I mean, Goblet of Fire is pretty good, but I don't think it's better than the Wheel of Time, where I could enjoy this more than these 3. Mistborn Hero Age is going S tier. This is probably my favorite one of the trilogy. Actually, I prefer it to this. I'm not actually putting that down, so we only have 4 up there. Secret History is pretty good. It sucks because I hardly remember these books. The real-time books. It's pretty good, but it's short, so I think I put it just above the Wheel of Time. And then Study in Scarlet, part 1 is good, and then there's another part to it where it's going the backstory, and I was very confused about it. It was very confusing, but I guess it made sense. But I'll put it in okay. I like it better than those two books. I'll put it there. I really like the Hero of Age. The Hero of Age is definitely S tier in my opinion. I would put the first Mistborn up there, but I think I put it over that. I don't know why that's there. Yeah, the Hero of Age, the Will of the Sentence is pretty. I can't remember the key or the kiosk, but I feel like I prefer it to these books. I don't think I prefer it to the Great Hunt, though. No, I'm pretty sure Satellite is better. Times of Dreams is better. No, actually, I'm gonna put it over this one. Crowns of Swords, Tower of Midnight, Dragonborn, Mistborn, Secret History. this other book is Lord of Chaos. I get those two mixed up, kind of. Let's see. I'll put it over Tower of Midnight. And the Dragonborn. Eventually, when I get Harry Potter done, I'm gonna do a Harry Potter tier list with like the films and the books. Yeah, I think that's where I would place Goblet of Fire. I don't think I prefer it to the first, you know what book? Percy Jackson. It's here. New Springs. Glare of the Moon. Harry Potter. That's the Order of the Phoenix. Yes, okay, that goes there. So, Philosopher's Stone. Sorcerer's Stone is there. Titan's Curse, the first Percy Jackson. Percy Jackson. Part 3. Part 2 is up here. In the good tier. And then okay is the Curse, Titan's Curse, and then Maz there, and then I put Sorceress, that one there totally deserves it. Okay, I don't think it's that bad. I'm moving this up. It's not as bad as that. It is so slow, that book is. I'll put it with the first Percy Jackson. I probably enjoy it both. I think Percy Jackson is worse, the first one. Because Harry Potter, at least that one is like semi-enjoyable. But it's just very simple, so they'll put it in that tier. Okay, so this is my book tier list so far. I don't think there's anything I need to... But there's Heart. You know, actually, thinking about it, I think I enjoy some of these better than some of these. I put Sorcerer's Stone over New Springs novel and Winter's Heart and The Starlight Scarlet. Titan's Curse can stay there. Yeah, definitely can stay there. Because I don't really, like, Winter's Heart has stuff happening, but it's not very enjoyable to read. If I remember correctly, it did take me a little while to read. New Springs is alright. It took me a lot to read because it's, read it at the wrong time, but, because I read this in between the third and fourth book for some dumb reason. Guardian of the Moon. I don't know if I remember ranking this down below, but I'm pretty sure I'm gonna put this here just because how hard it was to read. It was semi-enjoyable, but it's a weird book, definitely weird, so I'd put that in okay for my enjoyment level. Percy Jackson, yes, that's the... Eventually I'm gonna get the 4th and 5th done, but first I'm gonna read the last Harry Potter book. I'm trying to get Stormlight Archive done too, the first one. I'm on like page 300 and something. It's a very long book. Take me long. So far it's pretty enjoyable. It'd probably be a S tier book. I might even be over all of these books, but I haven't gotten through it yet, so this is my very rank. I had 8 books this time. I normally want to do like 7 books tier list, but studying, I think since I got this book, Studying Scarlet, I got it a little more. It did took me long to read, but and then of course, Secret History, that it took me long to read at all. It's only like 200 pages, and it was pretty enjoyable. So, this is my updated tier list of books I have read. I'll see you when I get 7 more books done. Okay,